Research local markets thoroughly. The secret to a successful rental property investment often lies in the research you do before buying. Not all neighborhoods are created equal, and finding the right one can make or break your investment. Look for areas with steady population growth, low crime rates, and strong job markets. A neighborhood with a nearby university, major employer, or new infrastructure projects can be a gold mine for rental demand. It's not just about the big picture, though. Dive into the local rental market to understand vacancy rates and average rental prices. This helps you see if your investment will cover costs and turn a profit. Keep an eye out for trends. Rising rents or increasing home values are good signs of a thriving market. Visit the area at different times of the day to get a true feel for the neighborhood. Talk to locals, explore online resources, and even consult with a real estate agent familiar with the area. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make a smart decision. By understanding the local market inside and out, you'll position yourself to buy in the right place at the right time. A well-researched market gives you the foundation for success and shields you from costly surprises down the road.